Hey y'all, this is Justin with All American Panel. Going to do a walkthrough of our Centennial system. We designed this system specifically. I think it's perfect for your 100 to about 120 pair operation. It can be expanded to accommodate an operation larger than that, or could be basically reduced in size and consolidated a little bit to accommodate an operation smaller than that. So this is our main gate coming in. It's a 10-foot low-top gate. Keep in mind as we walk through, all the gates and frames, in exception of your sweep gate, can be a high top configuration. I think it adds about $20 to $25 per gate or frame. So as we come in here, this first pin will be your main catch pin. If you'll notice, there's a series of gates here in line, so you could bring cattle in from a couple different ways. This here would be your main catch or holding area. This is a 40 by 50, 2,000 square feet here. Accommodate, 40 to 50 pairs really well. Another 10-foot bow gate coming in here. This is another 40 by 50 pin. 2,000 square feet. Again, 40 to 50 pairs really easily accommodated here. Notice there's a gate here. We'll come back to it shortly as we come through the pen. This here is your main gate that's going to come into the lane, bringing cattle toward your tub and your sorting pens. So as you come down this lane, we can sort cattle this way. Notice this gate will latch across and lock in place over here on this side. As we go into this pen, you'll notice that this gate swings out into the pen, which is really nice here, because as you bring cattle into this pen, you get ready to sort them back, coming back into the lane. If you want to bring groups of, say, if this is calves and you want to bring groups of, say, 5 to 6 at a time into the lane to go toward the tub, then it allows you to use this gate out into the pen to kind of bring cattle around you and through into the lane. This gate here across the lane we'll come back to in a few minutes. Working down the lane here, you've got a 50-foot of lane. Here we've got another sorting pen that's a 30 by 40. This one here is at the end of the lane, so we just open the gate against the wall. Be another pen to be able to sort some cattle into, cows, calves, whatever you need. Again, 30 by 40 here. They come straight out of here into the tub. Do notice, as on many of our pens, we put us a cheek gate here, really good for safety. I've noticed a lot of folks that's kind of mimicking this now. They see the value in what we're doing, putting this gate here. It's a good safety area. If somebody's working the sweep gate, somebody's bringing cattle along this lane, they're able to enter the tub with whoever's working here. When my kids help, my wife, my mom, they're standing in this position with this gate between them, and it's not a pinch point as if this is a panel and they're stuck behind the gate as cattle's coming. Allows the gate to lay flat, cattle flow pretty flawlessly through there. And then our gate sweeps around. It locks as it goes around. Trying to just cut back on sound a little bit, but you got your safety on there, says they kick the gate back, put pressure on you coming back this way. That allows a stop there for safety. I'm gonna bring this gate back around. I'm gonna show you the loadout and then the alleyway. So in the Centennial system here, we've got a radius gate here in the tub that you can open to send cattle out to a loadout. Now this one narrows down to an alley width with a slide here and a slide at the end for a cut, and you can extend that with another section. You can put a semi loadout, or you can go straight into a ground load situation there. Coming down this alley, we've got 20 foot of alley length here, a cut at the tub, or slide gate at the tub, as well as at the midpoint and at the end. So again, that gate that we put there right before the tub, like I said, it does work for a safety, but it's also a place where you can cheat in and out over to your alley. Your squeeze chute would set here, head gate, whatever. As the cattle come out of the head gate or squeeze chute, they could go back through this gate that I mentioned previously, back into the lane to go across to either of your sorting pens, or if you missed one, you could circle them back around to go back through your tub and back through the chute. you have the ability to put them back into one of your main catch pens here, and then you also have the ability to go back to the pasture, all from this one pen, as well as your stall front gate here that allows you to better cheat in and out to work your loading area for loading the cattle, or back down this side of the alleyway. That's our Centennial system here at All American Panel. If we can help you, give us a call, 844-887-2635, or you can also see aerial pictures and information about this system on our website at www.allamericanpanel.com. Thank you.